So if you buy a boat to live in, you should either be single or get ready to work on plumbing. That's one.
Haha, you're funny, baby. Anyway, hey folks, it's us again. Well, in today's episode, we're going to find out what's going on with our bathroom sink, why it's not draining. So, well, let's go watch this video. Make sure to leave a like and comments.
So some of the disadvantages of living on a boat are, say, plumbing, which is all over here, going through the hull of the boat. And if you happen to pull the wrong line and the shut-off valve doesn't work, you can sink the boat just by doing plumbing.
Where's the wrong line right there?
All of these are going through the hull, and all of them are below water. So I've got to troubleshoot why our sink is not draining. But I think I have an idea. Follow me in here. Oh, no disadvantage. You can only go one at a time through into the bathroom because there's only enough room for one at a time.
Oh, a mess.
See, we got our little bathroom here, and our sink is not draining. The sink doesn't go into the holding tank. It goes into the water outside straight because it's not really dirty, just a little soap. But it's clogged up, so I'm hoping we don't sink when I take this loose. I better make sure I got the valve in the right spot. Make sure I got the valve in the right spot because I don't want to sink. Oh, yeah, I didn't. Good thing I didn't open that up. Alright.
Which valve you turn up?
That's the sink valve.
Oh, the sink.
Come back. We can't figure out what could possibly be wrong with this thing. I mean, the valve's open. I don't really want to jump in, so I'm going to take this loose. Oh, maybe I'm going to take it loose. Oh, here we go.
You think it's leaking over there? Where the water go?
Water goes, yeah, pipe out to the water.
But it's under the sink.
Yeah, but it's going to a hose.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know if I can get that loose now. There it goes. What could possibly be the problem here? Oh, what is this? Oh. What could that possibly be from?
It's a rat.
That's got to be the elusive something that got stuck in our drain. I don't know what that is.
Is it my hair? Why would my hair goes in there though?
I don't know. It falls out of your head everywhere. So.
Jeez.
And then we know what the problem
Don't
is.
put it there, baby.
I'll pick it back up. Alright, so now we've diagnosed what the issue is probably.
Because I don't know why my hair goes in there. Well, every time I showered,
Give it to me.
every time I showered,
Everywhere. Everywhere.
Well, yeah, I'm the culprit because I'm the only one got a long hair right here.
Yeah, you blame me for that for sure.
Okay.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it.
It's not my fault.
Yeah.
It's my hair's fault.
I guess God made you that way, right? What do I do with the screwdriver?
You didn't give me a screw. There. There on your feet.
Oh, right there in front of me.
Oh, Lord.
Can't see them.
You sure you can see?
No.
So it was just my hair stuck in there. Oh my goodness. Good thing we find it out. So it's just my hair doing that.
Yeah. So if you buy a boat to live in, you should either be single or get ready to work on plumbing. That's one of the two options you have.
You be sleeping outside tonight. Well, that's good that you're there. That's your job. That's why you're there.
I feel worthy of your love now.
Yes. You're so worthy of my love now. You deserve some fried fish.
Yeah, I think that's it. All I gotta turn the valve back on. See it works tonight.
Uh-oh, you dropped that thing. Good thing.
Broke.
Oh, that bulb. Poor bulb. Not your head.
I'm gonna wash my hands and get rid of this glob or whatever this is.
That's my. Oh my god, it's so messy here. All right. Which bulb you gonna turn it on?
The black one up.
That one?
Yeah, don't turn the wrong one on. We'll go under like the Titanic. Alright, it's on now.
All right.
It should work.
It should work, but see? Let's see how good you are.
Let's see. Let me in here.
You get in, cause.
See what we got here.
Oh,
it's working.
good job.
We can cook this up for dinner.
Yuck. Oh my god. Even that's my hair. Ugh.
Mm.
You're so freaking gross.
Alright, that's all.
Okay.
That's all, folks.
Well, we were so glad to find out that it was just my hair clogging that drainage of our bathroom sink. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and make sure that if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe us and leave your like and comments, and make sure and let us know what you think about this episode. And till next time on our next adventure of this boat life experience here in Pensacola, Florida. Thank you so much. Baboosh!